Yep, yep, it's another one. Good one. Okay, let's try to do that one last time. See if I don't, I'll get in front of camera. I need to do this last one a really good one, or else I will not be living at this point. If you're wondering what I do between videos, I just watch YouTube, but Inside Edition, because that's so much fun to watch. You just watch all the accidents that happen, all the things that happen, even though they happened like 5 years ago. It's just fun. You know what I mean? What do you think? Yeah, just keep stretching. Just keep stretching. Just keep stretching. I have to hurry right now, right now, right now. Right now, right now, right now. Right now, right now, right now. Okay, now I'm good. Okay, let's do it. Yes, 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 yes. Bye. Don't subscribe, okay? Because, I just made this to show you swirl, so. Bye. Slime. 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 Bye.